The traditional two-pot method of making a bechamel is to heat the milk up separately to the same temperature as the hot roux. This can be done by steeping the milk with aromatics like chopped onions, garlic, bay leaf, and nutmeg. To steep the milk, start by rinsing the saucepan with cold water before adding the milk. This technique prevents the fats and proteins from scorching the bottom of the pot. Then add the aromatics, bring to a simmer, turn off the heat, cover, and let the flavor steep for about 15 minutes. The milk will not only be tempered, but flavored and ready to be added to the roux. For a subtle flavor, the milk can now be strained before adding it to the roux, as we are doing here. Or for a more pronounced flavor, you can add the milk with all of the aromatics and strain later. Add the hot milk to the hot roux a bit at a time, while constantly stirring or whisking. Let the mixture come back up to a simmer each time before adding more hot milk. Once all of the milk has been added, bring it to a gentle simmer while stirring. Then lower the heat and simmer gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, uncovered, to cook out the starch flavor. If you covered the pot, you'd run the risk of it coming to a boil, which can cause it to scorch or split. Stir occasionally, making sure to scrape around the bottom edges of the pot. This is the consistency of a sauce-like bechamel. You can see how it nicely coats the back of a spoon.